How to fix low microphone volume on Windows 10. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix low microphone volume on Windows 10. So if you're also facing such issue where your microphone volume is very less or no volume at all, so first just head over to your speaker icon or headphone icon and just right click on it and open the sound settings from here. And once you open this, here you should see on the right section that is sound control panel. Just select it and it will pop up a little screen over here. So what you need to do is always make sure that the speaker you are using is set to default, and you can also just right click on it and first just in case you have disabled some devices, you can also show them by simply enabling this option over here, which is such as show disabled devices, so disconnected devices. So you can view all of the devices that has been previously connected or currently set to default as well. And once you make sure that your speakers or headphones are set to currently default, you can head over to recording settings and always make sure that your microphone which you are using is set to default and not other microphone if you have connected previously. So as you can see, I've currently set it this microphone, which is the Realtek audio device, as my default, so it's working correctly. So what you can do instead, other thing is you can simply head over to that particular microphone properties and just click on listen. And if you have any problem regarding the software issue, then you should not be able to hear from over here. So you can just basically increase the microphone volume from here as well, just like this. And once you check it, you can just come over to advanced and always select the best quality, which is the last one over here, and just click on apply and see if it's okay, and just click on okay and just try to restart your computer. And if it's regarding any hardware issue, then you might need to head over to your nearest laptop shop for customer support. So, and that's to fix the issue. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.